Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with an Xbox controller. To begin, gather your Xbox wireless controller, a smartphone, and the PUBG Mobile game already installed. Ensure your controller has fresh batteries or is fully charged, and verify your phone's Bluetooth is active. This initial preparation is key for a smooth setup process, letting you quickly transition into the game. Connecting your Xbox controller to your phone is straightforward. First, open your phone settings and turn on its Bluetooth feature. Then, hold the small pairing button on the top of your Xbox controller until the Xbox logo begins to flash rapidly. On your phone, select the Xbox wireless controller from the list of discovered devices. It should connect within a few seconds, indicating it is ready. PUBG Mobile does not natively support Xbox controllers, so a third-party mapping application is essential. You will need to download a trusted app, like Octopus or Panda Gamepad Pro, from your device's app store. These applications allow you to map the physical buttons on your Xbox controller to touch screen inputs within the game. This crucial step bridges the gap between your controller and the game's controls. Once your mapping app is set up, launch PUBG Mobile and begin customizing your controls. Within the Mapper Apps overlay, you can drag and drop virtual buttons onto the game's on-screen interface, assigning them to your Xbox controller's physical buttons. Remember to assign common actions like firing, aiming down sights, and moving. Take some time to fine-tune these settings, ensuring every action feels responsive and intuitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.